So today we are just building this amazing food delivery app. You can say food ordering app, and we are building this amazing food ordering app using Java because we have just built many of the projects using React.js and Next.js. So I think that we should do some different thing and we should now build project using some other languages as well. So today I am building this amazing project using Java. Means this is the fully you can say fully responsive food delivery or food ordering app we are just building here using Java, and it will be also including some of the other things. I'll be telling you moving forward what things it will be including, but now I will be giving you the demo and showing you what are the things in this amazing food ordering app which we are building. First of all, you can see we are just getting at the left logo here, which is looking really awesome. You can put any other logo of any restaurant or any of your own restaurant if you are having, or if you are building your food delivery app by your for your own. So you can just write you can put the logo of your own as well if you want to put, and then you can see it at the front we are getting the landing page which is looking really good. At the right we are getting image, and at the top we are getting at the center navbar menus. These are the cart, login and sign up button. This is the food ordering made easy written here. Then there it is written get started today. Then this is food order now button. Here you can see. Then if you want to see menu, you can press the see menu button to see the menu here. So I will be first of all scrolling down and showing you the first page. So this is the first page of our food delivery app which we are building. Now moving on to the second page, if I press order now, so you can just order your app if you want to see the menu. So when you will be pressing the see menu button, it will be getting the loading button, and then in some while it will be showing you all the menus. And after showing all the menus, you can just order anything from the menu. If you want to order, means you can add it in your cart. This is the cart menu here which you are getting, and when you will be pressing this cart menu, so it will be taken to the payment gateway where you can see the checkout details of the user, and you can just do the payment of the users as well there. So if I move to about, here you will be getting the about section, then this is the about, then these are the menus which you will be getting. This is the add to cart. You can see it is saying cart is empty because we have not just added anything in our cart. This is the sign up and login button. Here you can register yourself, so you can just write here your name as well. So I will be writing my name and my email, and you can write any of the password here. So you can just register yourself. After pressing the register button, you will be registering yourself here directly. So if I just moving on to my VS Code, you can see here it is showing me that it requires some of the other and it is validated. So because of that, it is just showing me this. So when you will be just registering yourself, so you can register and you can now log in your save. So when you've just registered this, you can now write same email address and same password to log in here. So if I just write same email and password, so here when you will be pressing register again, here you can write login as well if you want to write. So you will be logging in your site here. So if I move to home, you can see now you have just signed in here and we are getting this page. So you will be now getting this, then you will be getting the about section. You can order now by pressing this order now button. You can see the menu by pressing this, and here you will be getting all the menus here when you are just getting the loading details. So this is our amazing food delivery app which we are building. This is the login sign up page which we will be building in this food delivery app. Then we are just getting cart. Here you will be getting all the cart details. It means that all the cart things which you want to add here, you can add it. Then it will be taking you to the checkout section where you will be checking out your things. And then this is the thing which I want to show you. So this is our amazing food ordering app which we are building using Java, and I hope you're understanding this different video. If you understand this different video of Java, and if you just like this video, so remember to hit a like. And if you're new on this channel, if you want to see more videos related to Java and more languages like that, so remember to subscribe on this channel, and after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so you can just see my all the coming up videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help, and I hope that will be really helpful for you if you move forward and want to build these amazing things. So just I will be moving just now we'll be starting with our project here, and now in the starting I'll be telling you that what things in this project is including and how we are building it from start, what are the things we are using, what text editor we are using to build this project here. So it will be really good, and I hope you will be enjoying that thing. So just now we'll be starting with our video, and basically we'll be seeing that how we are building this amazing food ordering app using Java from start, and what are the things included in this amazing video from start to end.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
So just now, like I've telling you, we'll be just building that amazing food ordering app and we will be using Java in that. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we are building that project. So I will be now opening that folder here from which we were working. So you can see this was my folder if I show you web dev project, and then this was our food ordering app which we are building here today. So I will be now pressing select folder to open this. You can see now our folder has been opened and we have opened our food ordering app here which we want to just build here, and we are using Java with that. You can see Java server is here as well. So this is the DB and router file which we will be needing here. So I will be now moving to the source file, and these are the navigation tabs menu which we will be needing in this project. So you can see this is the files here which we are getting in this. So this is the cart menu which we are getting here. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be just directly moving here, and then I will be now importing some of the thing in this. So I will be now importing React here like this. Then I will be now writing from React. So after writing this here, you have to close this and move down. Then you have to import the footer menu here. So I will be now just importing the footer menu directly from here. So I will be writing that slash footer.css, which is my footer file. Then I will be now writing here what black logo like this. And then after writing this here, you have to now just write from, and you have to now just write the assist menu here like this. Then you have to just now write here logo and write here .svg. Now when you've written this, you have to just close this file here directly. After closing this file, you have to just move down, and then you have to now just write the const file here, and then you have to just now write here footer is equals to make this tag, then make is equals to, and then move down. After making this thing here, you have to just now write here return value, and in return value I will be writing div class name, and then here you have to just write what black value here in this. Then you have to write here footer section padding. So I will be writing this. Then you have to close it, and after closing this value, you have to write the class name here and write here what black value like this. And then you have to now just write here footer value heading. After writing the heading value here, you have to now just do one thing. You have to close this menu and write here h1. After writing h1, you have to now just write their class name. After writing this class name, I will be now writing here gradient underscore text. After writing this gradient underscore text here, I will be now doing one thing. I will be closing this tag as well by writing this h1 tag here. And then you have to just move down, and after moving down, you have to write here do you want. So here I will be now writing do you want to step in, and then you have to write here to the future like this, and here right here before others. Now when you've written this, here you have to move down, write here div class name, and here you have to now just write here what black. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now just write here footer btn. After writing, you have to close it and then write here p tag and write request early access. So here I will be writing. Then after writing this thing here, you have to just now move down after this tag, write here div class name, and then you have to write here what black, and then underscore you have to write here footer links. Then you have to close it, and after closing here, you have to now write div class name, and after writing class name here, you have to write what black, and then you have to now just write here footer links. Then I will be now just writing here logo like this. Here you have to close it. Then you have to now just write the image value, source value, and here you have to write what black logo. Then you have to write here alt, and in alt I will be now writing here logo images. Then you have to close this. After closing here, you have to now just write here catcher. Then I will be now just write here catcher word. So here I will be now writing this. Write here k12. Then I will be now writing 182dk. Here you have to now just write here alknjkcb. Now when you've written this, here you have to write all rights reserved like this. So you can see here we have just written this. After writing these all stuff here, I will be now moving down, and then you have to write here div. So after writing the div, you have to now just give it the class name here in this div, and in this div I will be now writing here font black underscore footer. Then you have to write here links value and underscore div. Okay, so I will be doing one thing here, like we are getting these all values, so I have not written this value here. So I will be just moving down, and I will be writing the value of tabs here. So after creating this tabs value here, I will be now just writing the from value. Then you have to now just write here dot slash dot dot slash components. Then you have to write here tabs. Here you have to close it. Then write here import button. And then I will be now writing here from, and here you have to write dot dot slash components. And then you have to now just write here elements. Then write here slash button. Then you have to just move down and write here import use selector. So I will be now importing here use selector like this. And after importing this, you have to write here React Redux like this thing. Then you have to now just write here import cart products. So here I will be writing cart products like this. And after importing cart products, you have to now just write from, and in from value I will be writing dot dot slash, and then I will be writing dot dot slash again, and right here stores value, right here cart, and then right here cart slice. Here you have to just move down, right here import, and after importing I will be now just writing here use tab, then I will be now just writing switch. So here you have to now just write here switch from value, then you have to write dot dot slash, and then right here hooks dash use tab switch. Then you have to now move down, right here import, and after importing just you have to write here react component. So here I will be now writing here react component as, then I will be now writing here arrow write svg. So here I will be writing, then right here from, and in from value I will be writing dot dot slash assist, then you have to write here icon slash arrow right, and then you have to now just write this thing, then you have to now write here import, and after importing here you have to now write here address, and in address I will be writing from value, then I will be now writing here dot slash dot dot slash, then you have to write here components, and write here products, and then you have to write here summary dot like this. Here I will be writing, then you have to write here import, and then write here stripe. This is the stripe thing which we are building to make the payment section of this here. So I will be now writing stripe value, right here wrapper here, then you have to write the from value dot dot slash components, then you have to write here payment form like this. Then you have to now just do one thing, close it, and after closing this value you can see we are getting all the values here which we needed, means the card products we are getting here with the card slice, and then we are getting all these again products. So after getting these all products I'll be raising this, because now we have just written these all things here. Then after getting these all codes here you have to save it, then move to the ss files here, and then if I show you in the navigation, this is the app.css file which we are getting here. So after getting this app.css I will be now doing one thing, I will be now just removing this thing here, and after removing just you have to now write your own codes here. So after writing these all stuff here I will be moving down after this tag, and after moving down you can see we have just now we have to write the footer things here in this file. So I will be now writing what black value, and in this I will be writing the footer value, and here you have to write the footer value display flags, then write here flags direction which should be column, then you have to now just write here justify content. So here I will be now writing justify content which should be center value, then right here align items which should be center. So you can see we have just written this value, then you have to write the background here url, and in url, or you can say var, I will be now writing here, and in var you have to write here color footer. So after writing this value here you have to now just close this tag, then you have to now write here what black value here, then write here footer heading, and then you have to now just write here width 100%. So I will be now writing the width here which should be 100%. And after writing this value you have to write here text align center, and then you have to now write here margin bottom. So here I will be writing margin bottom which should be 3 rem, and here you have to write what black value. So I will be now just moving down, right here what black value, then underscore you have to write here footer heading, and here you have to write h1. Then you have to now just write here font family var, and here you have to write font family like this. Then you have to close it, and then you have to now just write here font weight 800, and after writing this value here you have to write font size 64 pixel, then write here line height, and line height 75 pixel, then you have to now just write here what black, and then you have to now just write the footer btn here, and then I will be writing display flags. Here you have to write justify content which should be center, and right here align items. So here I will be now writing center, and then when you've written this here you have to write padding. So after writing padding here you have to write 1 rem, border 1 pixel solid, and I will be writing here white. Then you have to write here text align center, and here you have to write margin bottom which should be 10 rem, right here cursor pointer. Then you have to now just do one thing, here we have to now just write a tag which should be like what black. So here I will be writing what black underscore footer btn, and right here p tag, and then you have to now just write here font size 18 pixel, and right here font family which should be like var, and then right here font family. Then you have to move down and write here line height which should be 21 pixel, and right here color white. Then you have to now just write here word spacing, then write 2 pixel. Here you have to write what black, then you have to now write here footer links. So here I will be now writing here, and here you have to write display flags, and then you have to now just write justify content, which should be like space between. Then you have to now just write here align items, which should be flex start. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now just write here flex direction, which should be row. Then here you have to now write here flex wrap, which should be wrap. And then you have to now just write here width, which should be 100%. Then you have to now write here text align left. Then you have to move down, write here what left, and write here footer links like this. And then you have to write here div width, which should be 250 pixel, and write here margin 1 rem. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here want black again value. Then write here footer links, and here you have to now just write logo. Then in logo value I will be writing display flex. After writing flex value, here you have to write flex direction, and here you have to write column. Then you have to now write here bot black value, and here you have to write footer links, and then you have to write here logo, write image, and then you have to now write here width 118 pixel, write here height like this, and in height I'll be writing 30 pixel. So you can see we have just now written the value of 30 pixel here. Write here margin bottom, and then 1 rem I will be writing here. Write here want black value, and then you have to write here footer links, and then I will be now writing here underscore logo. So after writing this value, here you have to move down. Then I will be now writing here font family, and in font family you have to write var font family. Then I will be now just moving down, and then you have to just now move down here. After this, write here a tag which should be like font size 12 pixel, and then write here line height, which should be 15 pixel. Write here color white. Then you have to now write here want black value here. Then you have to write here footer links. So here I will be now writing. Then write here div, and then you have to write display flex, and write here justify content, which should be flex start. So here I will be writing. Write here flex direction column. So here I will be writing this. Then you have to write here want black value underscore footer links. Then I will be now writing underscore div h4 tag. Here I will be now writing the font size, which should be 14 pixels. So here I will be writing. Then you have to now write here line height 17 pixels. So here I will be making this. After writing here, you have to now just write font family, which should be var, and write here font family. Then you have to move down, write here color white. So here I will be making this. And after making the color white, here you have to just now do one thing. Here I will be moving down, write here margin bottom, and in margin bottom here I will be writing 0.9 rem. Here you have to just now write here what black value, and write underscore footer links, and here in links I will be now writing div p tag. Write here font size 12 pixel, and then you have to write here line height 15 pixel. Write font family var, and then write here font family. Then you have to move down and write here color, which should be white. Here you have to now just write margin 0.5 rem 0. Write here cursor pointer. After writing this thing, just here you have to now move down, write here want black value, and here you have to now write footer copyright. Then you have to just now move down, and I will be now writing here margin top, which should be 2 rem. Write here text align center like this. Here you have to now write width, which should be 100%. Then you have to now just write here want black value like this. Write here footer copyright again. This time I will be writing p tag. Write font size 12 pixel. Write here font family, which should be var, and write here font family. Then you have to now just write here line height, and then 15 pixel. Write here color white. Then you have to now just write here media, and write here media screen and max width. So here I will be now writing this 850 pixel. Write here want black. So here I will be now writing here want black value. Then you have to write here footer, and here you have to write heading. Then you have to now just write here h1 tag. Then write font size 44 pixel. Here you have to now just write here line height, which should be like 50 pixel. Then when you've written this value, here you have to now write media screen, right here, and max width. So here I will be now writing this. And after writing max width, you have to write 550 pixel. Here you have to now write want black value, and write underscore footer heading. Then I will be now writing here h1. Write here font size 34 pixel, and write here line height, which should be like 42 pixel. Then you have to write here want black value, and write here underscore footer links. Then you have to write here div. Here you have to now just write here margin, which should be 1 rem 0. Then you have to now just write here want black value, underscore footer btn t tag. Then you have to write here font size 14 pixel. line height 20 pixel. Now when you've written this thing, just here you have to now do one thing. Here I will be moving down. Then here you have to now just write media screen max width. Then I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be writing 400 pixel. Then here I will be now just writing not black value. Right here footer heading h1. Then here you have to now write font size 27 pixel. Then I will be now writing here line height. And in line height I will be now just doing one thing. I will be now writing here 38 pixel. Now when you've written this, here I will be saving it. You can see we have just now written these all things here like this. And now when you've just written these all things, now you can see just we have just written these all things. So I will be now directly saving here. Then I will be moving on to my second file after this. And after moving to this file here, you can see we are just getting all the things. So I will be now writing here bot black again. And here I will be writing header. And right here display which should be flex. Then you have to just now write here flex direction row. And then here you have to now just move down right here bot black value underscore header. Then I will be now writing here content flex 1. Then you have to write here display flex. And after writing flex, you have to now just write here justify content. And in justify content, I will be now writing here center. Here you have to write align items which should be flex start. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to write here flex direction which should be column. After writing this, you have to write here margin right which should be 5 rem. Then you have to now write here bot black and underscore you have to write header content. Then you have to now write here h1. Then you have to write here font family var. So here I will be now writing var. Then you have to write here font family like this. Then you have to just now write here font weight which should be 800. Then you have to write here font size 62 pixel. And then you have to now just write here line height which should be 75 pixel. Then right here letter spacing minus 0.04 like this rem. Then you have to now move down right here bot black value and underscore header. Then you have to write here content detail. And then you have to now write here font family value. Right here var and right here font family again. Then you have to close it, and after closing you have to write here a tag which should be like font weight which should be 400. Right here font size which should be 20 pixel. And then after writing this, you have to now just write here line height, and in line height I will be now writing here 28 pixel. And then you have to write here color var and then write here color text. So here I will be writing. Then you have to write here margin top which should be like 1.5 rem. So here I will be now writing here. And then you can see we have just written this thing here. After writing this, you have to now write here dot bot black value. So here I will be now writing this and write here header content value. And then you have to now write here input. And in input, I will be now just writing a tag which should be like width. And in width, I will be writing 100%. Here you have to write margin 2 rem, 0, 1 rem. Then I will be now writing here display. So here I will be writing display flex. And then you have to now write here flex direction row. Then you have to now just write here bot black. Then I will be now writing here header content. Then you have to just write here input. So after writing input, you have to write here button, or you can say input. Here I will be now writing here. After writing input, you have to now just write here flex 2, and then here you have to write width 100%. Then here I will be now writing a tag which should be like min height. After writing min height, you have to write 50 pixel. Write here font family var and write here font family like this. Then you have to just now write here font weight which should be like 400. And then you have to now just write here font size 20 pixel. Then you have to now write here line height 20 pixel. Then you have to just now write here background. And in background, I will be now writing here var. After writing var, here you have to write color. And in color, I will be now writing here footer. Then you have to just now write here border 2 pixel solid. So here I will be now writing 2 pixel solid var color. Then I will be now writing here footer. Then you have to just move down, write here padding 0, 1 rem. Then you have to write here outline none. Then you have to just now move down, write here color white. Then you have to just now do one thing here, like I will be moving down and writing here border top left radius. And here you have to write 5 pixel and then write here border bottom left radius. So here I will be writing 5 pixel. Then you have to move down, write here bot black And in what black value I will be writing header content, and then right here input button. Then here you've written this, just move down. Right here flag 0.6 width 100%. Then I will be now writing here min height, and in min height I will be writing 50 pixel. Right here font family VAR, and right here font family. Then I will be now writing here font weight, which should be 400, and then right here font size, which should be like 20 pixel. Then I will be now writing here line height, which should be like 28 pixel. Then when you've written this, here I will be now just writing background, and in background I will be writing FF4820. Then you have to just now write here border 2 pixel solid. Then right here FF4820. Then you have to just now write here padding 01 rem. Then you have to now write here color white. Then you have to just write here cursor pointer, and write here outline none. So I will be writing. Then you have to move down, but here I will be just moving down and write here border top left right radius. So here I will be now writing left right radius. Then you have to write here 5 pixel. Here I will be doing one thing. I will be now erasing this left from here which is written, and here you have to move down, right here border, and right here bottom right radius like this. Then here you have to just now write here 5 pixel. Right here what black value. Then here I will be moving down after this. Then right here what black value underscore. Then you have to write here header content. Then right here people. So here I will be writing, and after writing this people value, here you have to write width 100%. Then you have to now just write here move down, write display flags. So here I will be making this tag and writing here display flags. Right here justify contents flag start. So here I will be making this. Then right here align items center, and then you have to move down, right here flags direction, which should be row. Now here you have to move down, right here margin top 2 rem. Then you have to write here what black value, and after writing what black value you have to write header content. Then I will be now writing here header content people image. Then you have to just write here width 181. So here I will be now writing 181.79 pixel. Then you have to move down. After moving down, you have to now just write here height, which should be 38 pixel. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here what black value. So here I will be now writing right what black value here. Then you have to now write here header, and in header I will be now writing content people p tag. Then I will be now writing here margin 00. Then I will be writing 1 rem. Right here font family, and here I will be writing var, and then right here font family. Here you have to now write font weight 500, and then you have to write here font size, which should be 12 pixel. Right here line height, and in line height I will be now just writing here 38 pixel. Right here color white. Then you have to just now write here text align, which should be center. And after writing this, here you have to move down, right here what black value. After this, right here header, and in header I will be now writing image, and here I will be writing flags 1. Then you have to write here display flags. Then you have to write here justify, and then you have to now write here content center. Then I will be now writing here align item center. Then you have to just move down, right here what black value. Then you have to just now write here header image. Then I will be writing image, and here you have to write width 100%, and right here height 100%. Then you have to just now write here a tag which will be like @media. Then I will be now writing here media screen like this. Now after writing this, here I will be writing n max width, and after writing max width, here you have to now just do one thing. I will be making 1050 pixel. Here you have to just move down and write a tag which will be like what black underscore header. Then make this tag right here flags direction column, and you can see we have just written this value. After writing this flags direction column value, here we have to now just move down, right here what black value after this, and after writing what black value, here you have to write header content. Then you have to write here margin, which should be 003 rem. Then you have to now just do one thing. I will be raising 10 from here directly. And then after doing this thing, here you have to now just do one thing, like you have to move after the 2 div which we have written, right here media screen, and then you have to now just write here max width. After writing max width, here you have to now just do one thing. You have to write 650 pixel. Then after writing this tag, here you have to now just do one thing. Here I will be moving down, right here what black value, and then you have to now just write here header content, and then you have to now write here h1. and here you have to just write 48 pixel font size, and then right here line height 60 pixel. After writing this, you have to move down, right here word black value underscore header. Then I will be now writing here content. After writing this content value, you have to write p tag. Then you have to just write here font size, and after writing the font size, here I will be writing 16 pixel. Then I will be writing here line height like this, which should be 24 pixel. Then you have to just move down, right here word black. So here I will be now writing word black value, right here header content. Then I will be now writing people. Here you have to write flex direction, which should be column like this. Then write here word black value, and then you have to now write here header content. Then you have to write here people p tag. Then you have to write here margin 0. Then you have to write here word black value. Then I will be now writing here header content, and here you have to write underscore input, again input. Then you have to write here comma, write here word black value, and here you have to write header content, and then write here input value, write button, and in button I will be now writing here font size 16 pixel, write here line height, which should be 24 pixel. Then you have to move down, write here media screen, and then I will be writing here next width, which should be 490 pixel. Then I will be writing here word black. Then I will be now writing here header content, and here you have to just write h1, and in h1 I will be just moving down, and after moving down you have to write here font size, which should be like 36 pixel, right here line height, which should be 48 pixel. Then here you have to write word black value. Here I will be writing header content value. Then I will be writing here p tag, and after writing this you have to write here font size, which should be 14 pixel, right here line height, which should be 24 pixel. Then right here word black value again, right here header, and in header I will be now writing content, right here input, and right here input. Then you have to now just move down, right here word black value, and right here header content. Then I will be now writing here input button. Then you have to just move down after this, right here font size, and in font size I will be writing 12 pixel, right here line height, which should be like 16 pixel. So when you've written this, you have to save it now. So you can see we have just written all these things here which we want to write. You can see tailwind base components is written here. So I will be now doing one thing. I will be making this window here, and after moving to here I will be just moving where it is written. So you can see there it is written header. So I will be moving at the top, and then I will be now just moving here. So after moving, just you have to erase this thing. You can see we have just written this thing here directly, and after getting these all things, you can see we have just written the base components of the tailwind which we are getting here. So I will be moving in this. So here you can see we have just written. So I'm pressing Ctrl G because some error we are just showing here. So I will be now moving back after this. So you can see we have just now written these all things. So I will be now doing one thing. I'll be moving at the top. So you can see here we are just getting these all stuff. So these were the things which we have just done here, and we have to remake it again. So I am just remaking these all things again here. So it will be not really difficulty for us. So you can see now we are just remaking these all stuff directly. And now here you can see we are just now remaking it. After remaking these all stuff, we are getting it like this. So I will be directly saving this file here. Then after saving this, you can see now the error which we were showing is thing is now gone. Yes, okay, now it is not showing. Okay, now when you are just getting all this stuff, you can see we are just now getting app.js file and all the file which we needed here. Then I will be moving on to the home page. Like in the home, we are getting all the components here and the elements of every file. You can see this, which is looking good. Then this is the navigation tab menu here which we are getting. So you can just style this navigation tab menu directly from here. Like if I want to import these things, I will be directly writing here import browser router. So I will be now writing here import browser router like this, and right here you have to write comma, and then write here the route value, and I will be now writing here routes. Then you have to write from, and here I will be writing React router DOM. I will be writing here. Then after writing the React router DOM value, here you have to write import header, and after importing header, you have to now just write here from value, and in from I will be now just writing dot dot slash components value, and write here header. Then you have to just now write here import home. Then I will be now writing here from value, write here pages. So I will be now writing here pages like this, and write here home value. Then you have to now just write here import login. Then you have to now just write here from slash, and then write here pages, write here slash login. Then you have to now write here import, and then you have to write here register, and write here from, write here pages register. Then you have to now just write here import, and after importing here I will be writing menu from pages. Then I will be now writing slash and write here menu. So after writing this menu here, you have to now do one thing. You have to close it, write here import, and then you have to now just write cart and write here from pages. So here I will be now writing pages like this, and write here slash cart. So I will be writing this. Then you have to now write here import payment success. So here I will be writing here payment success like this, right here from, and then you have to write here pages slash, then I will be now writing here payment success. Then you have to write here import use selector. So here I will be now writing use selector like this, right here from React readers. So here I will be now writing this, right here import card products. So here I will be now writing this. Then you have to now write here from and write here slash stores. Then after writing this, you have to write here cart slash and write here cart slice. Then you have to close it and then write here import footer. So here I will be now importing footer here, and then write here import slash components. Then I will be now writing here footer. Then after importing these all things here, I will be raising this all stuff which we were getting here. So I will be now writing this thing. Now you can see we have just written this. So when you have written this thing, I will be moving to terminal and run this. So I will be now writing the command of npm start to run this. You can see now our food ordering app is running. We have just done all the work which we want to do with the Java here. So we have just import Java and React in that to build this amazing project. You can see you can change the title as well. Like I will be moving in my VS Code here. After moving to VS Code here, I will be changing the title. So for changing title, you have to move to the file which is called public folder. Move to this file. Then from here, I will be changing the title to Java application. Save it. After saving, just you have to now reload. You can see we are getting Java application, the title which is being changed here. So you can see this is the amazing food ordering app which we have just built. You can see we are just getting at the left logo of the food ordering app which we have just built here. Then at the center we are getting all the navbar menus. Then at the right we are getting this add to cart button, and then login sign up page as well. You can see that in the starting I have shown you like this login and sign up page was working, and it was looking really awesome, like I was just showing you that in the start. Then we are getting the login button, add to cart button, then this is the about home section. Then you can just see menu by pressing the see menu button. Here you will be getting all the menu bar. Then this is the footer section we are getting, and this is the copyright section we are just getting in this project. Then when you press your logo here, so it will be taking you to the home page again, where you will be getting again these all things like about us things, and these are the footer section things which you are getting in this. This is the login sign up button which we are getting in this amazing project, add to cart button, about home section. Then this is the delicious food logo which we are getting in this, which is looking good. So this was the amazing project which I want to show you, and this was the thing which I want to show you here about Java. So I hope you understand this amazing project of Java. So this was not the really big food ordering app which we have built using Java, because we'll be starting from beginning, and from beginning we'll be moving on to advanced level, in which we'll be covering up all the things in that. In this project we have covered up all the checkout section, payment details, menu, and all the things like login sign up page like we get in every of the food delivery app which we built. So like this we have just built amazing food delivery app. I hope you understand how we have built this amazing food delivery or food ordering app using Java. And if you have understand this video and learned things from this video, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how they can build these amazing projects using these all amazing languages, because I will be covering up more projects like this, and I hope that will be giving you help moving forward. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial like these ones. So for today, goodbye.